Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to fix up a couple of the leaks and a couple of things that you guys spotted. Stay tuned. Alright guys, just letting you know everything has come in for making the catch can, so that'll be coming up in the next couple of episodes. But now we're going to tighten up some of the fittings that are leaking. We'll check the wastegates as well, and also what you guys spotted was this water line here is a little bit kinked. So yes, it is kind of looks like it's kinked, but it's not really. So what I'll do is I'll loosen off this bolt and just let it go down that way a little bit. It should make it a bit better, but we'll see. A bit of water might come out. Alright guys, we've got a little bit more of an angle. Doesn't look too bad. Pretty sure it's not actually kinked. It doesn't feel like it, but like it hasn't gotten wider, if you know what I mean. Thanks for picking that up, guys. I think it is a little bit better, but not too concerned about that. Well, I was, that's why I fixed it, but yeah, thanks for keeping an eye out. Alright, so we had the TD05, it stopped spinning. So we have an exhaust leak somewhere. So it's either here, wastegate, here, or on the heads. It shouldn't be on the heads. I did everything up tight. So might be here, here, and that wastegate there. And if we had something dripping, we did have something dripping out of the 50mm. So if something's coming out, that condensation obviously is leaking. It's getting out of the exhaust and dripping. So if that wasn't leaking, it'd be going through the turbo, correct, and out the exhaust, and hopefully vaporized by then. But yeah, obviously if something can drip out of it, it's got an air leak. Alright guys, just tightening up here. I've done probably 1.5 turns, so a bit loose there. So it's a good start. Just going to work my way through. Alright, I just did the other bolt on the other side of that flange there, and that was like probably 2 full turns. So I should have changed it, I reckon, to at least like a 3-bolt flange, but I think there might be a gap here and a gap up the top, but I think we're done there for now. Move on to the wastegate. Just make sure the clamps are tight. I'm not sure about the adjustment just yet, but I'll play around because it might not be seated properly. Alright, just tighten up the clamps on this wastegate quite a bit actually. This one's a bit loose, this one's a bit loose as well. So we'll move on to probably setting the spring rate. Make sure it's pressed down all the way. I actually don't know how to adjust it on that one because there's a fitting right on top of it. Whereas this one, I know that's way too far out. That's not sealing properly. I can probably even look up in there. I'll be able to see if it's sealing or not. So I might get a light under there and I'll adjust that. Oh yeah, doesn't look like it's sealing properly. Yep. Got oil coming down here. Right, let's see if I can adjust it. Alright, I think that's quite tight. So we'll see on that next startup if we have any leakage. Yeah. Looks like it's come out a little bit. You can see a little bit of cleanness there, like it's been pushed down just a smidge. Maybe that's why it was so loud as well. And got oil down here. Got some rusty bits there. Maybe it's not completely sealed there. Maybe it's just all the water that's dripped down. I'm not sure. Try to tighten up these bolts here too. See how we go with that. Okay guys, I'm just a wee bit embarrassed here to say this, but these 3 bolts were loose. This one being the worst. This one's got a little shaved head on it, so it sits pretty much right up against the pipe there, so that can't move. This was like 4 full turns to tighten it. This was loose. This one was loose. Everything's loose. So that's good, but bad. So hopefully Mr. TD05 should be good now. So these bolts got tightened, wastegate got tightened, that wastegate got tightened, this got tightened. I should check these ones on the back side. Pretty sure the bracket that I did for the internal wastegate, some of you might think, oh that's loose, but I'm trying to move it at the moment and it's nothing. It's like I went hardcore on that one. But yeah, I'll give these 5 bolts on the back side of the turbo good go, and we should be fine down here then. Unfortunately, I do want to get this out for Tuesday, so I'm not going to be starting it tonight. It's late, so it'll be in Thursday's episode that I'll start it up and just check over everything again. And Thursday we'll get started on the custom catch can part 3. Alright, we got maybe an 1/8 to a 1/4 of a turn on some of those bolts on the back side of the turbo there. So from that we'll move up to the leaking coolant, which is this line here. Obviously I've only got one hose clamp. Did grab another one here, so I'll put this on, I'll loosen that off and move it down. So I've got hose clamp on both parts of the fitting. That's just covering the join, so it's most likely going to happen. Okay guys, we've got 2 hose clamps there. When I did touch it, I could hear air trying to get out, so obviously Can't hear that now. That's good. So move on to around this area. Some of you guys said you could see a chuff of smoke coming out of here. So we've got a bit of moisture here on the top side. Don't know about that just yet. Just keep an eye on that. I'll tighten down this V-band. It could be that. It could be my crappy welds that are there. It could also be the valve here that's open. I could have chuffed up that way, but I doubt that. Most likely, probably that V-band. Probably could do a couple of other times around. Yeah, maybe, just maybe, it could be the T3 that's to the 2-inch V-band that's down there as well. The V-band isn't the best. It could be in that. It's chuffing out this way. The V-band or the T3. But, we'll give this a bit of a tighten first. It's a 13mm. It's about a quarter. Oh, maybe it just seated. Uh-oh. Maybe it's stripped. If it is, I'll have to do another trip to Pertec. I do actually have the thread stuff over there, so I could, if it is stuffed, make another thread on it. The tap and die, but I really don't want to take that off. Let's check the 2-inch V-band, which is just before that T3. That 2-inch V-band, if you guys have been watching for a little while, it did break. Kind of. Half broke. But I did get a couple of turns onto it until it got tight. So I'm going to leave it there. So at the moment, if there is anything leaking around there, you're going to need a 2-inch and a 3-inch V-band clamp. So, pretty easy. And I'll try to tighten up the T3 flange. Alright, so the T3 bolts, they seem good. I'm pretty sure I tightened that out of them while they were off the car because I knew it'd be easy. I'll just do the 2-inch V-band, and it is quite easy to get to. So just run a long extension through here, and it's right down there. You probably can't see it. So yeah. So we have tightened everything in the exhaust flow, like the hot side before the exhaust. That leaking, the exhaust leaking, won't affect spool up. So, but we did get a lot of turns out of some of the bolts, so that might be it. So yeah, getting there, boys. Hopefully that has fixed everything, and you will know in the next episode. And I'm very sorry about that. It will be 2 days away. I really did snake it this time, didn't I, boys? Yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for your help as well, guys. Did spot a lot of things as well that I did not, and I really appreciate that. And thanks for watching. If you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you next episode when we start it up and when we start welding the catch can. Bye.